Today we are doing must-do mod for the E36.
That's good.
Dirty. It was like 20 degrees already, now it's back to zero, and this weekend's gonna be minus something. My name is Kamil, and this is a best mod you can do to your E36. Now, doesn't look like much, right? This is a used part, okay? It's seen a better days, but it's still functional. The most important part, which is this, is still working correctly. Why do I say it's a mod? Well, let's take a look at E36. This right here is what we have stock from factory. It serves exactly the same purpose, which is connect steering column and steering rack. Stock E36 one has a rubber bushing there, and this bushing, well, it's rubber. Over time it just degrades, gets old, gets weak. You get loose steering feeling, like car is swimming a little bit on the road. You don't feel that confident behind the wheel, and mine actually did change its shape. See, it should be flat, but it's kind of a banana shape right here. This is one of the simplest mods ever. There is the other way. You can take your stock E36 part and put a polyurethane bushing inside, but there is a cooler way, which is change it, and well, don't worry, never ever again. This is a part from BMW E34, so it's a 5 Series, same era car. That's what we are going to use instead of our stock E36 flex joint. Finally. Got it. This is a new part. This is the old one. Size is the same. Weight. This is heavier, so weight reduction. That's it. Let's put it on the car and be happy that we have a new part. I could make like billion B-rolls, but all would look the same because it's just a piece of a steering column now. The holes for the bolts were slightly off compared to the E36 part, but I used 1mm thinner bolts, actually studs for exhaust manifold for N42 engine, and they work. My hair looks like shit. Thank you for watching, I'll see you next time, and bye!